These AI car manufacturing videos are going viral right now, and they stop every single person from scrolling away. The visuals are so cinematic and satisfying that people genuinely cannot keep scrolling past them. And the best part, this niche is still completely unsaturated, which means the window to go viral here is wide open right now. Watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. Without wasting any extra time, let us get straight into the process. But before we start, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you want to keep getting free tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button right now. Let us go. Head over to the description below and open the detailed master prompt file I have prepared for you. Copy the full prompt from start to finish without missing a single word. Now, open ChatGPT and paste the full prompt directly into the field. Hit enter, and it will instantly provide you a list of engaging car names to choose from. Now here's the fun part. You can copy any car name from the list, enter its number, or simply type any car name you have in mind yourself. I am going with Rolls-Royce. Hit enter, and it will now show you a set of color options to choose from. Pick your favorite color, enter its number, or type it directly into the chat bar and press enter again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the complete ready-to-use detailed video prompt for your car manufacturing video. Everything is structured, polished, and sitting right in front of you. Copy the full prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option, then ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical format. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to 10 seconds. And keep the number of outputs more than one. This gives you multiple results to compare. And pick the best looking one from. Paste the prompt directly into the field and click generate. In just a few seconds, your AI car manufacturing video will be completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now, let us have a look at another one I created using the exact same method. And that's the full process. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you, and I will see you in the next one.